Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope all of you are doing great and safe from this pandemic. As I received a lots of text messages from all of you regarding how to prepare for your IELTS exam from your home by utilizing the resources readily available online. So today's video is all about this. I will show you some websites and some YouTube channels from which you can prepare for your final IELTS exam. First of all, I will start with this website. This is Road to IELTS. When you are here in this website, you will see there are all the sections here, all the modules here: reading, listening, speaking, writing, and under each module there is practice test. So if I click on listening practice test, so there are 9 different sets of practice tests. So you need to complete every set to move forward. For example, if I click on set 1, so there is some options. There is test practice and the answer key. So if I click on start and then start test, correct.
Please change the volume using the bar in the top right corner. Click continue when you hear the sound clearly. Please change the volume.
Okay, continue and then start test.
Test 1. You will hear a number of different recordings.
The audio will be played in the background and you need to
there will be time
select the answers here
and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work.
Okay. All the and once you are done, you can just submit it.
Turn to
yes, submit. You score 0 because I didn't answer any question, and then exit. So once I am done with set 1, I can move to 2, 3, like this way. I can complete the listening task. Same goes for like speaking. Here's the speaking test. If I click on start,
I'd like you to talk about
the audio will be playing on the background and you will see this is the question here. So this is exactly,
you will have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. You can make some notes if you wish.
This is exactly the same question, type of question that will be provided to you during your final IELTS exam. So once you are done with set 1, you can move to the other sets. Same goes for speaking and writing. So this is the website. This is the first resource website that I am sharing with you. It is this website is very much resourceful because it has more test options. So for example, you can take 9 tests under each module. That means you have lots of options for preparation and judging your level of expertise in IELTS exam. Now I will take you to another website. This is takeielts.britishcouncil.org. I think all of you know that British Council, IDP Australia and Cambridge University are the owners of IELTS, and all of them are providing different free resources for the candidates so that they can prepare before they face the final exam. And once you are here in this British Council's website, you can click on Take IELTS and then you will be directed to a new page. From there you can click on prepare for IELTS. When you click on prepare for IELTS, it will take you to another page, and from there you have to click on free IELTS practice test. Okay, so this is the free IELTS practice test. So listening, reading, speaking, writing, so all the practice tests are available here. So you can go with any module. For example, if I would like to go with writing practice test and then go with academic writing test, so here is some instructions. These instructions will be provided to you during your final exam. So this is the academic writing task 1. Okay, so here is the question. Sample question, task 1. So this is exactly the same sample question, exactly the same type of question or like graph you will face in your final exam. So once you are done with your task 1, you can move to task 2. So this is task 2. You need to click on here. Okay, so this is actually the model answer. This is the model answer sheet. So this type of paper will be given to you, and this is exactly all the things will be written in your final exam, and you need to write your answers here. And this is your question, actually a person's nowadays. So this is the question, and once you are done, you can match your answer with this answer, and or you can print this answer sheet and then write your answer here to do it like more practically. Okay, if I move to another practice test, for example listening practice test. Okay, listening part 1. So here is the audio. So if you would like to do the practice test of the listening module, you just need to click on the audio here.
Test 1.
The audio
You will hear a number of different
playing on the
recordings,
background,
and you will have to
and
answer
you
questions
just
on what you
need to
hear.
listen to the audio
There will be
and
time for
then
you to
fill up
read the
these
instructions
answers.
and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work.
And here is the listening answer sheet. Okay, so this is the sample answer sheet, and this is exactly the same one you will have in your final exam to put your answers. Okay, so this is all about the British Council's IELTS practice test options. Now I'll take you to IDP's website. So this is the IDP one, IELTSessentials.com. From there you can click on prepare for IELTS and then click on practice. So from practice you have to click on free IELTS practice test and then select practice test. Okay, so they arranged a different way, like academic first and then general training, and under each reading, writing, listening, speaking. So for example, if I would like to go with reading, I need to click on reading, and then for example this is the question here. Okay, so this is the passage here. I need I have to read the whole passage and then answer these questions. And here is also the answers. So this is very simple. You don't need to worry about your answers because this is a practice test. So you can give your full effort and then match your answers with the answers available here. There is also the answer sheet. So this is the answer sheet here. Yeah, this is exactly the original one. The British Council one was watermarked, but there is no watermark. So while I was facing my IELTS exam, they gave me exactly this one, and I just need to fill up this and then put my answers here. So you can print out this one and then write your answer here. Okay, so what about listening? Let's check. So this is the listening question here and the audio. Okay, so let's
You
check.
will hear a telephone conversation between a
So
customer
this is
and
the
an
way
agent
you
at
can
a company which ships.
open the audio in one tab and open the question in another tab. So you can read the question here and then listen to the audio, and like this way you can complete your listening practice test. So this is all about the websites that I think are very much useful for IELTS practice test. Now I will show you some YouTube channels. The first one is E2 IELTS. This one is very much effective one and very much resourceful. If you go to this channel and then click on playlist, you will see there are lots of videos and under different playlists. And believe me guys, this channel is awesome because they explain all the things like very what is it, like anyone can easily understand what is IELTS and how to answer each type of questions. So they cover every different types of questions that you will face in your final exam. So you don't need to worry about like with different like unknown categories of the questions. So you can follow this channel's video, and there is also another channel that is IELTS Liz. So this lady is performing very good. She has more than 1 million subscribers, and her videos are also very much resourceful and effective. If you click on the playlist, you'll see there are few videos, but if you listen to all of them, you will definitely learn many things about your final IELTS preparation or final IELTS exam. Here is another one, Academic English. So this channel is, though its name is Academic English, but it is actually all about IELTS. And look at this, it has more than 1 million subscribers. So you have to understand that they are doing something great, so people are subscribing in their channel. So if I click on the playlist, so here is lots of videos. You can listen to all of them and get your idea about your final exam and prepare yourself. I'll show you another channel that is IELTS listening test. So this is also a verified channel, and if you click on the playlist, you will see there are videos here. So you can listen to them and prepare for your IELTS exam. So this is actually all of the resources that I used during my IELTS preparation, and I was able to score my desired band score. So I hope all of you will utilize these resources and make the best use of this pandemic time. I know, like, after pandemic, many of you are maybe planning to starting to a different many of you are planning to go abroad for your study, or you may be planning for migration to a different country, so you need IELTS. So don't waste your time, make the best use of it, and take the advantage of this pandemic, because once the pandemic is over, all of us will be in rush. So let's take the advantage and make the best use of this pandemic. And I hope all of you will enjoy this video, and all the links will be given on the descriptions. And I hope all of you will subscribe my channel for more videos. All the best wishes for your IELTS final exam. Take care.